Hello and welcome to my campsite. This is section 21, lot 250 at Woodhaven Lakes Campground in Sublette, Illinois. This is a 2005 Quail Ridge 2-bedroom park model. The lot is roughly, let's say 45 feet by 125 feet, more or less. We got underground water and electric. Got an LP gas pig, skirting, central air, 2-bedroom, no loft. It's a blank slate for your convenience. You can build a room, build a deck, build a porch, both, whatever you wish. Got a concrete patio up here. Be a nice spot for a fire pit. Got a 8x8 shed. Couple goodies in it. I don't know what all exactly. Crystal's opening it up for us. Refrigerator, tiki sticks, air pump. There's one orange flag if you can see it, and the other orange flag is way over there. I ain't going up to them. People have been asking to see the trailer, so I'm going to show you the trailer. I think this is a bargain at $31.5. Got the 100-gallon LP gas pig. It's about a 2005 Quail Ridge 2-bedroom. Oldie but a goodie. Got the his and hers wardrobe. This is the master suite. No loft, so you got a ceiling fan overhead. Bathroom, tub shower. Got a bunk room. 2 bunks, closet, water heater, bunk ladder, white kitchen appliances. 56,000 BTU furnace, track lighting, composite sink, table and 4 chairs, sleeper sofa out front. So this will sleep 6 people easily. There's your entertainment center. Everything in it goes with it. Clear title to the property. You can't live at Woodhaven Lakes, but you can overnight 200 nights out of the year. It's the world's largest family campground. This is a 2000, I'm not even sure, so I shouldn't even say, but 2005 Quail Ridge. It's got central air, central heat, underground water and electric. 125-gallon LP gas pig. There's the bunk room. Nice oversized bunks. Oh, got a hall closet. Nice big hall closet. Nice bright bathroom with the skylight. Medicine cabinet. Sink. Commode. Master bedroom. Okay. Let's head back out the door. We're back outside at Woodhaven Lakes, world's largest family campground. Now this is situated so you could build a deck or a room onto it with no problem. You ready to get going to the next video, Crystal? Okay, let's boogie. I own 3 of these properties, and all of them are for sale. Just call Kelly. This is section 21, lot 250, Woodhaven Lakes. Call Kelly at 815-849-9089. Thanks, and have a great day.